In this chapter, I will first explain part of a daily maintenance check and adjustment procedures for fuel oil system. While the engine is running, check that the pressure and temperature of fuel oil are within the specified value that you are watching in this video. Try to clean the fuel strainer first if fuel oil pressure is out of the specified value. And for pressure adjustment by valve operation, you must properly operate each valve on the line after fully learning about the fuel line in the vessel. The regulating valve of fuel oil is equipped at the edge of the fuel oil return pipe. Also, the settings of the viscosity controller must be adjusted in such a way that the temperature is satisfied with the specified value at the engine inlet. Next, I will explain how to disassemble and clean the fuel oil strainer. There are two units of the same fuel oil strainers on the right and left side respectively, and they are used with the fuel oil filtering the elements on both sides during the engine operation. When you disassemble and clean them during the engine operation, conduct the work one by one according to the following procedure. First, shift the changeover lever to the disassembly position and open the air bleed plug. Open the drain plug and drain the fuel oil. Remove the bolts and cover and pull out the element. Chemically clean the extracted element using a surfactant or cleaning agent. Blow the compressed air from the inside of the element. It is more effective to use hot water of high pressure instead of compressed air. Also check for surface scratches, breaking of wires, corrosion, and other notched wires. Reassemble the fuel oil strainer in reverse procedure to disassembly. Finally, return the changeover lever to the use position of both sides and bleed the air. This completes the work. This is the explanation for daily maintenance check of fuel injection pump. Check the rack graduation and the oil quantity of pinion at every 300 to 500 hour interval. I will explain the procedure. First, remove the pump cover to check the rack has not gotten stuck. Also, check the position to see if the graduation doesn't vary widely between cylinders. For HFO specifications, lube oil is fed into the pinion sleeve of fuel injection pump. So check about it. Check the oiling quantity by the quantity of the oil dribbling from the plug after removing the plug screw for the check of the drop quantity on the side of fuel injection pump. Check that the oil drops at the rate of 1 drop every 10 to 12 seconds. If the feeding volume of lube oil does not meet the specified value, first remove the cap nut of the lube oil flow rate regulating valve, loosen the lock nut, and then screw in the lube oil flow rate adjusting screw until becoming fully firm. Gradually loosen the adjusting screw and make an adjustment in such a way that the oil drips from the rate of 1 drop every 10 to 12 seconds. Securely tighten the lock nut, cap nut, and plug when the feeding quantity of the oil reaches the specified amount. Then the work will be completed.